Here sanibonani bafowethu niyaphila. Hayi, ngathokozisa maniphila. Mina ngibanjwe influenza hayi ngibambe phansi bafowethu man. Yeah, but no. Back to business. Not much to say today. But have you guys realized which the only way out is through war? Have you guys realized that the only way out for South Africans here is through war? Because this war of paper, this war of memorandums and whatsoever is not helping us. Palestinians that just came in our country, they're just allowed by our president without documents, and our people are on the streets and showing they are so hurtful. But then our president just decided, no, fuck the people of South Africa. I'm just going to allow them to come in. There's a big story behind it. Yeah. Kulungile bafowethu. Angipepezeli into kodwa ngithi niyabona yini kodwa ukuthi kumele silwe before. Thina sikwazi bafowethu. We are living under a code of conduct. Yes, we respect the laws of this country. There's nothing we can do. But when you corner bafowethu, can you do something about it before we lose our country? Because almost ngekudala nje sebesiphethe ama-Muslims la kule country. Ndaba kanaliphando wenzani? Akungayeka naliphando. Nang Ramaphosa njengamanje, he just allowed a flock of Palestinians into our country. Engakhulumanga nokukhuluma nane ministers of Home Affairs. Minister of Home Affairs, at least for the first time, he was going to do right, but then his decision was overridden by the very first citizen of our country. I am truly West and Banjuni Fluba Food. Hope you're good. Hope the struggle continues with our hearts. We're with you. It's just that we cannot be part and parcel. But we're with you. It is so, he has got Jablisa to see what's happening in KZN. Not only in KZN, man, but yeah, you got Jablisa born upon alive. But this paperwork thing, they are just looking and saying, let them toy and bring memorandums and whatsoever, but let us carry on with our duty, which is breaking this country into 1 million pieces.
Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi waseMzansi. Nali social send a message ebantwini base South Africa. Lithi lona abantu base South Africa, they need to open their eyes babone uCyril Ramaphosa for who he really is. Uthi uCyril Ramaphosa kanandzaba nebantu base South Africa, kanandzaba ni South Africa, indolana indzaba nayo oma foreigner, he's protecting foreigners. President njena yema foreigner njengoba simbona kaindi lutho ngendzaba ema foreigner noma bona ukuthi ayaqoshwa, like he just doesn't care. Instead utshela abantu base South Africa ukuthi abayekele kuhlukubeda ama foreigner, abayekele kucosha ema foreigner. So uyasho ukuthi yena as a soldier akakhoni, or his hands are tied, akakhoni ukuthi ayilwele kahle South Africa because of umsebenzi la wendako. But uyanitshela nini abantu base South Africa ukuthi anivukeni emaqanzini or nimbono Ramaphosa ukuthi uyi-president kahle yena njena yema foreigner. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.